Hi, boys and girls. For this teen number activity, you are going to practice counting teen numbers and using the vocabulary 10 ones and some more ones. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have your materials. You need your baggie of puzzle pieces that may look something like this. And you will also need a dry erase marker. Pause the video and get those materials. Welcome back. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to find a puzzle piece that has pictures on it. You're going to use your dry erase marker to circle a group of 10. So I'm going to count, on my card I have giraffes. So I'm going to count 10 giraffes and circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see I have 10 giraffes. So I'm going to use my dry erase marker and I'm going to circle 10. I see 10 ones. I also see some more. How many more runs do you see? How many did you not circle? That's right. There's one giraffe down here that I did not circle. So I know I have 10 ones and 1 1. Your job is to find the piece of the puzzle that says 10 ones and 1 1. So I can take my picture. I'm going to put my picture with my objects in the middle. I'm going to move my circle. And the first puzzle piece should say, it should match your picture. So 10 ones and 1 1. All right, I have 2 pieces of my puzzle so far. The last piece of your puzzle is going to say, it's going to show the teen number. So I'm going to show you here. It says 10, the number 10, and the number 1. Do you know what number 10 and 1 is? That's right, 11. When you're done doing your puzzle, make sure you take a picture on Seesaw. Have fun!